This is a very common question which comes into the mind of a cadet who is going for SSB. He is worried like how he should write this self-description. It is not a very difficult thing. See, you are writing about yourself. What your parents think about you, what your teachers think about you, what your siblings think about you, in case you have been in job, what your boss is thinking about you, and what you feel are your strong points and what are your weak points. Sometimes maybe like where you want to see yourself in life. It is a part of the psychological test, which is of where you are given a chance to write for 15 to 20 minutes and to complete all these paragraphs. Only you think you should care about is that it should be a very honest description.
कहिए मैं जो कुछ भी कहूंगा सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूंगा.
Let me tell you, the psychologists are very well trained to find out, to detect, notice all your traits. There is no point hiding. It should be a totally honest and a pure description, whatever you write. You must make sure, and we all know like what our parents think about you, what a parent desire. The parents want their kids to be obedient, hardworking, aspiring for higher goals, aspiring to achieve higher goals. These are the quality a parent desire. And you must be knowing what your parents think about you, whether they are satisfied with your hard work or not, whether they want to advise you to work further hard, or whatever caution they give you. Sometimes parents and teachers, they both caution you to maintain a balance between your studies and sports. It is part of the duty. Sometimes because of your parents or by the advice of your teachers, you have been able to maintain this balance, because at times we tend to forget. Like student who participate in sports event, they neglect studies. But the timely advice of these people come very handy. Say the way they have felt about you, write them. What your sibling thinks about you, what a sibling expect from you. You may be doing, you may not be doing, but your siblings, they expect you to be very caring, to be sharing. They should be able to share their problems with you. They should be able to take advice from you. You can act as a mentor or guide to them. These are the expectations of siblings. You see, whether you are fit there or not, or anything, any weak areas where you want to improve. And you are very much capable of writing where you want to see in life, or what are your strong points, or what are your weak points. There's one thing I can tell you. There's a lot of difference between your weak point and your negative points. You see which problem has got a negative aspect and a logical aspect. So don't criticize yourself that much. Weak areas are those areas where you want to improve, which you have noticed. The strongest weakness is when you are not able to find out or detect your own weaknesses. This is very important in life, to know the weaknesses, so that you can overcome those weaknesses. I would like to even tell you what are the things which you can avoid while writing the self-description. Don't criticize yourself too much. This is the time when you have got to encash your good points, what best you can project yourself. One more thing I want to advise. Sometimes cadets, they write these points, whether strong points or weak points, all self-description, in a very short and very bullet point kind of thing. This is the time you write in sentence form, so that it conveys whatever you want to convey. Don't leave this thing to the imagination of others, because you are projecting yourself. Mind it, you should end up projecting yourself very well as a future leader, which the quality which are desired in a future defense officer. That's what I can tell about the self-discipline. Thank you. Hope you found my guidance useful. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.